If you've noticed water leaking from your car's air condition, you may be wondering why this is happening and how to fix it. It's normal for a car's air conditioning system to produce condensation, but an excessive amount of water can indicate a problem. Welcome to Chad, her YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to fix leaking air condition in your car. This is my 2008 Toyota Yaris. I recently noticed the carpet in my car is all wet on the passenger side. Two things can happen when you notice your car floorboard is wet. Number one, the air condition condenser line is disconnected, or two, your air condition condenser reservoir is clogged. In my case, the AC condenser reservoir is clogged. As you can see inside the reservoir, it's very dirty. And on the bottom of the reservoir, near the outlet, it's completely dark with build-ups. No wonder the carpet in my car is all wet. Now, let's unclog the AC condenser reservoir. As you can see here, as I remove the hose, no water comes out at all. That tells us that the condenser outlet is definitely clogged. Turn on your AC and watch as it builds up condensation. If still no water comes out of the outlet, the problem's still there. As you can see here, the AC condenser reservoir is full of water. You can tell by the water bubbling line inside the reservoir. We can also see that the water is not coming out of the outlet here, even though it's full of water inside the reservoir. This is what I'll use to unclog the reservoir outlet, a metal clothes hanger. There you go, we did it. Water finally comes out. That should fix the problem now. Look how dirty the water is. That's what clogged the reservoir outlet and caused the water to overflow and leaks onto the carpet floor in your car. Let's try to clean as much as we can before putting the hose back on. That should do it. Now let's put the hose back on and test the air conditioner again to see if we get any more leaks. No more water bubbling inside the reservoir, so I think we fixed the problem. Now check under your car. You should see water dripping onto the ground. That is how it should be when your air condition is running on your car. That's it. That's how you fix a leaking air condition condenser. Thank you for watching Chad, her YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.